Your whole practice, one login. This is BizBooks Pro for accountants and bookkeepers. One flat annual license that connects you into every client's books, with a practitioner toolkit built for month-end. This is Oak Ridge Accounting, a working practice, and everything you're about to see is included at the Accountant Pro tier. The Client Dashboard. The Client Dashboard is your practice at a glance. Every client, when their books were last touched, and one click into any of them. Each client is a genuinely separate company with its own ledger and its own audit trail. Statements across clients in one pass. Month-end used to mean one report session per client. The multi-company comparison runs the same statement across every client you select, side by side in a single view, exported the same way. Adjusting entry templates. Your standard adjusting entries, accruals, depreciation, reclasses, live as templates. Apply them in seconds, client after client, with the amounts as the only thing you touch. Trial balance and tax planning. The working trial balance is one click away, grouped by account type and ready for your return software. And the tax planning workspace tracks estimates, deductions, and projections for the client you're in. Remote access, the heart of it. Here's the heart of the accountant tiers. Your clients run their own BizBooks Pro on their own computers, owning their own data, and you connect in remotely with a one-time invitation code. Fixes happen once, in place, with the audit log recording who did what. No file copies. No version confusion. Every accountant tier includes this. One seat, every client, one price. Accountant Pro is one flat annual price for one practitioner and every client you serve. No per-client fees ever. When the team grows, Accountant Enterprise adds unlimited staff, and Accountant Firm adds a white-label client portal. Start the 30-day trial or tour this exact practice in our live demo right now. No sign-up required.